Reliable solutions to water and energy challenges remain the single most important factor in every African's daily life and the continued development of the continent. In the East African region, there is one company that has a long history of expertise in this field and continuously improves its services to individuals, organizations, and industries, as well as expands its footprint in the region. Davis and Shutcliffe, the leading supplier of water and energy solutions in East Africa, based in Nairobi, Kenya.
Davis and Shutcliffe was founded in 1946 by my father, Eddie Davis, and his partner, Dick Shutcliffe. I joined the business in 1976 and have run it until 2016 when I retired and became the executive chairman. The business has been built on three very important values. Quality in everything that we do, integrity to all of our stakeholders, which is a vital value for us, and the most important one, probably, which is my old school motto, Altiora Peto, which means I seek higher things, which basically means that we always aim for continuous improvement. And that is what has driven the business over the years.
DNS has evolved over the last 70+ years from an organization that used to focus principally on projects, and then for a period in between, it has been more of distribution. We've been selling products through the branch network throughout the whole region, and now we're doing a bit of both. We're finding that we're now getting involved in more projects, and so the customers that we deal with through the branches are asking us for solutions that involve us putting projects together. And what we're adding now is technological solutions. So we're using mobile devices and we're using SMS, the very latest technology, BMS, building management systems. We are very well known for water pumps and for borehole service and for swimming pool equipment. In the recent past, we have become a lot more involved in solar pumping, in water treatment, and in generator solutions. And the most recent addition has been irrigation, which dovetails very nicely with the other 6 segments because we use much of the same equipment and we're saving water and using it very effectively. And so irrigation has great potential for the future.
The distribution of water pumps is Davis and Shutcliffe's main activity, and it offers the widest range of products available in the region. These pumps are sourced from a number of world-leading manufacturers, including Grundfos from Denmark, Pedrolo from Italy, and Davy from Australia. Also, Davis and Shutcliffe has launched its own brand, Daylif, with a large selection of affordable quality pumps for every pumping need. Submersible pumps for boreholes and water wells are widely used in the developing world, where piped water supply with access to clean fresh water is not extensive. In Kenya, the borehole department at Davis and Shutcliffe handles installations and other services for all types of boreholes in their areas of operations.
From the time the customer makes an inquiry about drilling a borehole, we guide them through who is the best, they can partner with in terms of drilling, so that at any particular moment, the customer is assured of a working solution.
The provision of swimming pool equipment is an important area of Davis and Shutcliffe's activities. Whether the need is circulation, heating, lighting, or other accessories, high-quality equipment is manufactured or carefully selected by Davis and Shutcliffe, together with an extensive range of pool care items and chemicals. This makes Davis and Shutcliffe the market leaders in pool equipment and accessories. Waterborne diseases are a major problem in Africa, and the availability of cost-effective water treatment equipment is essential. As the region's most committed participant in this crucial industry, Davis and Shutcliffe supplies a wide range of hardware to treat the most prevalent water conditions.
The water treatment business segment is supplying products and solutions that are capable of dealing with any water challenge that we have in this market and in the region. We partnered with world-leading suppliers of water treatment technologies, and out of this we can design, we can assemble, and we can install a technology or a solution that matches anything you can get anywhere in the world.
Manufacturing of water treatment plants is carried out by a very specialized team, and several purifying technologies are in use, among them ultrafiltration equipment from the world-renowned water company Dow. Davis and Shutliff offers a wide selection of generators suitable for small domestic to large institutional applications, providing reliable and effective power solutions. Davis and Shutliff is now also the sole distributor of the well-known Kohler engines suitable for water pumping, generators, and other prime applications. Sub-Saharan Africa is abundantly blessed with natural solar energy, and in recognition of this, Davis and Shutliff has dedicated a separate division to renewable energy solutions, focusing mainly on solar pumping, lighting, and heating requirements.
We started the solar division in 2003, and we have grown tremendously, and we are still growing. Our main product is obviously the solar PV solutions, whereby we have the solar pumping systems and also solar lighting systems. We are into the solar hot water systems. Solar street lighting is big business for us now. And also we do power backup systems. We have a partnership with Lorenz. Lorenz is it's actually the biggest manufacturer of solar pumps in the world. And we are able now to install very large pumping systems using inverters from Lorenz.
Through a contact expansion from its base in Nairobi, Davis and Shutliff now has a wide footprint throughout the region, bringing its products and solutions closer to East African users.
The aim of Davis and Shutliff is to bring its range of products and solutions to as wide an audience as possible. And so from our traditional base, which is Kenya, we have in the last few years expanded into an additional 7 markets, which are Tanzania, Uganda, Zambia, Rwanda, Ethiopia, South Sudan, and most recently DRC. We've opened subsidiaries in those markets, in addition to which we have our branch network in Kenya, which consists of about 35 branches. So in total there are about 60 currently DNS branches in the region, and we have plans for further expansion in the next year. What we find when we move into markets is that we learn a lot, and because we have a very wide offering of products and solutions, we find that we can tailor our approach to individual markets depending on what their requirements are, and I think that's one of the reasons why we have succeeded.
No matter where in the region, a dedicated and professional sales force is paramount to the success and expansion of the group.
The sales service in Davis and Shutliff, first of all, is driven by engineers, very highly qualified engineers, who have accepted and adopted our core values of quality. They give a lot of quality service, professionalism. They have a lot of integrity. It's part and parcel of what we do here. You find that these are people who hold our brand with a lot of pride. This reflects also on the output that we give our customers. We are able to deal with all levels of customers, from the corporate to the traders to the farmer to the mwananchi actually on the street.
Behind the skilled sales force stands a technical and logistic expertise, without which the continued success of Davis and Shutliff would not be possible.
At Davis and Shutliff, we've continued to invest in building our technical and engineering capacity to world-class standards. Technology is a key strategic differentiator for us, and DNS aims at being the regional industry leader. We've aligned our manufacturing capability to meet the growing demand for high-quality, reliable, locally assembled solutions. At Davis and Shutliff, we invested in various kinds of mobile technology and electronics applications to enable us better support our customers. So we have the iDaylift mobile application. The iDaylift system basically allows us to track our equipment operation. It helps us predict when equipment is going to fail, and it also helps us monitor operating conditions of equipment. The second application we have is called SynchroTeam. SynchroTeam is a scheduling tool that we use to direct our technicians to site. We also use it to monitor what's going on at site when our technicians are working in the field. Lastly, we have our Daylift Go application, which is a mobile phone application that our sales engineers can use when they're specifying or designing systems. It's also available to our customers when they want to look up various information about their equipment.
This is a department that deals with equipment installation, maintenance, and repair. There are three main sections of service. There's the field team, that's the team that does all the installation work on site. Then there's the second team, which is the workshop team, and that's the group that does equipment repairs, and we make sure we do the testing so that we confirm that the equipment that's been repaired is as good as new. We have a third section, that's the transport, and that's the department that is in charge of the fleet. We run a very big fleet of vehicles.
I'm the supply chain director. I look after the importation, storage and distribution of equipment for Davis & Shirtlift. We source about 60% of all the things that we sell internationally. We are now importing from over 15 different countries and about maybe 35 different organizations around the world.
Davis & Shirtlift's mission is to be a world-class quality organization to the highest level of corporate standards and professionalism. And with the increasing number of products and opening of new branches, Davis & Shirtlift has seen its business revenues doubled in the last 3 years. So, the ambitions for the future are high.
I see Davis & Shirtlift touching and improving the life of every single person in this region.
The aim of Davis & Shirtlift is to become a truly Pan-African business because we believe that we have a lot to offer the region as a whole.
Global warming is something that is a concern for very many of us about the future. And when you think about a company that can provide sustainable solutions in water and energy for the whole of Africa, surely Davis & Shirtlift has a limitless future.
It's a matter of some pride to me that today Davis & Shirtlift is a large organisation with over 700 people operating in 8 countries in the region. And every day people in the region will benefit in some way or another from a Davis & Shirtlift product.